Factorization by using identities. Now, here we have a question a square plus 8a plus 16. Now, we cannot do this by taking common. We will have to use this by an identity which we have learned, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab, all are positive. So, what has to be written here is a square we will write as a whole square, and 16 here we can write it as 4 whole square. So, we have a square and we have b square, and this term now has to be expressed as 2 into a into b. So, this will be 2 into a and the value of b here is 4. So, 2 into 4 is 8, 8a. We are not changing the question, but we are writing in another format. We have written it in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. And we know that a square plus b square plus 2ab is equivalent to a plus b whole square. So, we can write this as a plus 4 whole square. Now, a plus 4 whole square means this factor a plus 4 is repeated twice. So, we can get a square plus 8a plus 16, the factors are a plus 4 into a plus 4. So, here we are basically using the identity a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. This is the identity which we have used here, a square plus 2ab plus b square, we have written it as a plus b whole square. In this question we have p square minus 10p plus 25. Unlike the previous question where all were positive terms, here we have one of the terms with negative sign. So, we have p square minus 10p plus 25. So, we will write p whole square here, and 25 we can write as 5 whole square, and this we will have to write it in the form of minus 2 into a into b. So, this will be 2 into p into 5. So, that is giving us minus 10p. So, we have a square, we have minus 2ab and we have b square. So, the identity is a minus b whole square. So, we get p minus 5 whole square. This is a and this is b. So, p minus 5 whole square indicates that the factors are p minus 5 and p minus 5. So, in this question we have used the identity a square minus 2ab plus b square is equivalent to a minus b whole square. So, this is the identity that we have used here, a square minus 2ab plus b square we have expressed as a minus b whole square, and when we are writing in the factor form we will just write the bracket twice. Next we come to 9x square y square minus 16. Now, there are only 2 terms here. So, unlike the previous 2 which had 3 terms, we cannot use that identity, we will use another identity here. Now, 9x square y square is the same as 3xy whole square and 16 is the same as 4 whole square. So, which means that here the identity a square minus b square has to be used. Now, a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So, we have the first bracket as a, the second bracket as b. So, a plus b, a minus b indicates that first we are going to add the 2 terms. So, we have 3xy plus 4, and in the next bracket we are going to subtract the 2 terms. So, 3xy minus 4. So, a square minus b square will be written as a plus b, a minus b. So, the bracket here we have a and in the second bracket we have b. So, that is why we have got the final answer as 3xy plus 4 and 3xy minus 4. Let us look at some more examples where we will have to do factorization by using the identities. 25a square minus 4b square plus 28bc minus 49c square. Now, here we find that there are 3 variables, one is a, one is b and one is c, and we look at this term bc. Now, this is very crucial. Now, bc means all the b and c terms will be together and this a has to be written separately. So, 25a square I will write as 5a whole square, because 5a into 5a is giving me this, and these are the 3 terms which I am going to write together. So, I will take negative common, we will get 4b square, and this is plus, we will have to change the sign because I have taken negative common, this will become 28bc, and this is minus, so I will change the sign and write it as plus 49c square. So, in the first step I have written 25a square as 5a whole square, and the next three terms I have written together in one bracket and put a negative sign for all, and we have changed all the individual signs. Minus has become plus, plus has become minus, and minus has become plus, because we have taken the negative sign common. So, this becomes 5a whole square minus, now if we look at this carefully, this is actually an identity, because 4b square can be written as 2b whole square, and 49c square can be written as 7c whole square. So, this is a square and this is b square, and in between we are having a negative term, that means we should have a minus 2ab term here. So, that is 2 into 2b into 7c. Now, if I multiply this, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 7 is 28, and b into c is bc. So, we get this term by writing it in the form of 2ab. So, as we know, this is an identity in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is a minus b whole square. So, this will become 5a whole square minus, I can write this as 2b minus 7c whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square has become a minus b whole square. Now, this further has become another identity. If you take the first bracket as a and the second as b, then this is a square minus b square, and we know that a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. So, we will get in the first bracket 5a as it is, plus the second term, so plus 2b minus 7c, no problem in this, and here this will become 5a minus of b. Here we will have to be careful, because when we are taking negative of this expression, the signs will change. So, 5a, it will become minus 2b, and minus will become plus 7c. So, we will have to be very careful with the second bracket. Here we just add 5a plus 2b minus 7c, but here we have to take the first one as it is and subtract the second. So, 5a minus 2b plus 7c, the signs of the second bracket will change. So, final answer 5a plus 2b minus 7c, 5a minus 2b plus 7c. Another example here, p to the power 4 minus 81, we have to factorize this. Now, this can be written as p square whole square, because x to the power a whole to the power b is x to the power a into b, the powers are multiplied, you will get this 4, minus 81 can be written as 9 square. Now, by doing this, I get an identity, this is a, so a square minus b square. So, we get it in the form of a plus b, a minus b. So, I can write this as p square plus 9 and p square minus 9. Now, p square plus 9 we will leave it as it is, but look at the second one. This 9 can be further written as 3 square. So, p whole square is p square and 9 can be written as 3 square. So, we get p square plus 9 in the first bracket, and here again we will have to apply the identity of a square minus b square, that is a plus b, a minus b. So, we are going to get p plus 3 and p minus 3. Therefore, the final factors of p4 minus 81 will become p square plus 9, p plus 3 and p minus 3.